Paver color fading unevenly? That's a total bummer, but you can fix it with some smart moves. So, first off, always use a good color sealer right after you install your pavers. It locks in the color and keeps that fresh look longer. When you clean your pavers, skip the harsh chemicals because they can mess with the color and wear down the surface. Instead, go for mild soap and water or special paver cleaners that are gentle but effective. You want to rinse thoroughly after cleaning so no residue sticks around to dull the colors. Make sure water drains well around your pavers to avoid pooling, which can cause discoloration over time. If you notice any stains or spots, treat them quickly before they soak in and ruin the look. Reapply the color sealer every couple of years depending on weather and wear to keep everything vibrant. And if you live somewhere sunny, consider a UV-resistant sealer to fight off sun fading, which is a real killer for paver colors. One of the biggest mistakes with uneven paver color fading is skipping the sealing process. Without it, colors fade way faster and unevenly. To fix that, get a high-quality sealer and apply it correctly after installation and every few years after. Another common issue is using harsh cleaning products that strip color and damage pavers. Switch to gentle cleaners and rinse well to avoid this problem. Lastly, poor drainage leads to water pooling that stains and fades your pavers unevenly. Make sure your outdoor space slopes properly and clean out debris from drainage areas regularly. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with paver installation and maintenance. It also helps contractors find new projects and grow their businesses easily by reaching people who need their expertise.